This is code.org. Let's see what we're doing. Let's take a short way home over the pond. Oh, okay. You can help the artist stay on the stones. Oh, can you? Yes, we can. All right, when run, we have 1 block, and we're only supposed to use 4. Yikes, that seems like a challenge. Like always, I'm going to start throwing down some code and seeing what happens. So I want to go west, and then west. Let's try. Oh, we're supposed to jump. Oh, yeah, because technically we'd fall in the water. Wait, is there a jump? Oh, hey. Ooh, another new block. Okay, jump that way. So jump west. Let's just test this out, because it's always good to test stuff in code. It's easier to find mistakes right away, like if that block was wrong, rather than when I laid out 19 blocks and have to figure out way up here what's wrong. Oh, okay, so that's looking good. So, oh, not another jump. I think I would want to, yeah, I want to draw now, and then jump. And then draw and jump. Let's see. Yeah. Oh, and I would need to draw one more time. But notice we have 8 blocks out of 4. That's way too many. So let's see. Go west and then jump. Go west and then jump. Go west and then jump. Go west. And I bet if we jumped here, it wouldn't be a huge deal. So, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, instead of writing this out 4 times, instead of repeating ourselves 4 times, we can make the computer do the work. I'm not going to take out 4 blocks. I'm going to take out 2 and say, hey, run this 4 times. And it goes zoop, zoop, because anything in that pink mouth thing, that code will get run 4 times now in a row. If there was code below it, it would run after the computer loops through this. Let's give it a shot. Awesome, we did it. Onward.